Printer spooler failures can make jobs hang, keep printers offline, or stop printing altogether. I'll show you a safe step-by-step way to check the spooler, repair Windows components, and narrow down what's causing the problem on Windows 10 or 11, with help from windowsforum.com. First, you open the Services console because that's where the Print Spooler service lives. You press Win+R, type services.msc, and press Enter to bring it up quickly. If nothing happens, make sure you actually pressed Enter after typing the command, since this step only works when service is opened successfully. Next, you go into printer settings so you can inspect the device side of the problem. You open Settings, click Bluetooth and Devices, and then choose Printers and Scanners. If your printer is missing here, that's a clue the connection or driver may need attention before printing will work again. Now you click Add a printer or scanner to prepare for a clean re-add later. This matters because removing and adding the printer again can refresh a bad driver connection or clear a stubborn device entry. If the printer does not appear after a scan, wait a moment and try again, since discovery can take a little time on some networks. You're opening command prompt with administrator rights because the repair commands need elevated access. You open Start, type CMD, right-click command prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. The shield icon is your cue that admin permission is required. If you only open a normal command window, these repairs may fail or return access denied. At the User Account Control prompt, you click Yes to allow command prompt to run with full rights. This confirmation matters because system repairs cannot complete without elevated privileges. If the prompt doesn't appear, check that you really chose Run as Administrator in the previous step. Now you run SFC/ScanNow to check Windows system files for corruption that can affect printing. In command prompt, you type the command and press Enter to start the scan. If the scan seems to pause for a while, let it finish. Interrupting it can leave the repair incomplete. Next, you run DISM online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the Windows image itself. This step helps when system file issues are deeper than what SFC can fix alone, so it's a strong follow-up. If DISM reports a problem, keep the command window open and let it complete before testing the printer again. You're checking Event Viewer now because it can show what Windows logged when the spooler failed. You open Run, type eventvwr.msc, press Enter, and then click System to focus on the system log. If the log looks busy, look for errors that match the time you tried to print, since those timestamps usually point to the useful entry. Finally, you open Windows Update because missing fixes and driver-related patches can keep spooler problems coming back. You go into Settings and click Windows Update so you can check for pending updates. If updates are available, install them and reboot when prompted, since some printer fixes only take effect after a restart. If the printer still misbehaves after these checks, the issue is usually in the driver, a stuck job, or a Windows component that needs a deeper reset. For more Windows troubleshooting walkthroughs like this, keep windowsforum.com handy.